In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all emails from a sender in Yahoo Mail. If you're trying to quickly find every message sent by one specific person or company, Yahoo Mail has a simple search feature that makes this easy. This is especially helpful if you're looking for an old conversation, tracking messages from a business, or organizing your inbox more efficiently. To get started, open your Yahoo Mail account and make sure you're on the main mail screen. Once you're there, look at the top of the page for the search bar. This is where Yahoo lets you search through your emails, but instead of typing normally into the bar, you'll want to use the advanced search option for a more accurate result. On the right side of the search bar, you'll see the advanced settings icon. Click that icon to open the search dropdown. This menu gives you extra fields so you can narrow down your search and find exactly what you need without scrolling through your inbox manually. In the dropdown, find the field labeled From. In that field, enter the email address of the sender whose messages you want to view. Make sure you type the address correctly, since even a small mistake can affect the search results. If you're copying the address from another email, that can help avoid typing errors. After entering the email address, click Search. Yahoo Mail will then display all emails from that sender that match your search. This gives you a quick filtered view of every message from that address, making it much easier to review past emails in one place. If your results don't look right, double-check the sender's address and try again. Also keep in mind that if the sender has used more than one email address, you'll need to repeat the search for each one separately. Using the From field is the most direct way to search by sender, and it's much more efficient than searching with general keywords. And that's it. That's how to see all emails from a sender in Yahoo Mail. Once you know where the advanced search option is, this becomes a fast and useful tool for finding important messages whenever you need them.